We use two main temperature scale to measure temperature. One is Celsius and one is Fahrenheit, and often we need to convert from one unit to another, and we have two formulas for that. To convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, we use this formula. We first multiply it by 9 by 5 and add 32 to it, and to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius we use this formula. We subtract 32 and multiply by 5 by 9 with it. We kind of memorize these formulas but never quite understand this. In this video I will try to explain how this can be understood easily. At first, look at this figure here. This shows that water boils at 0 degrees Celsius, and that is 32 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale, and it boils in 100 degrees Celsius, and that is 212 degree in Fahrenheit scale. So what is the difference here? We have 100 difference here, and we have 180 difference in Fahrenheit scale, but these are the same distance. For the same distance we have 100 for Celsius scale and 180 for Fahrenheit scale. So we can write that what is the distance this side, and this distance and this distance are the same. So we can write that 100 distance in Celsius scale, that is 100, equal to 180 distance in Fahrenheit scale. So one distance in Celsius scale equal to 180 by 100 distance in Fahrenheit scale, that is 9 by 5 distance in Fahrenheit scale. What this means is that 1 unit of distance in the Celsius scale equal to 9 by 5 unit distance in Fahrenheit scale. So when we are given a value in Celsius, suppose we are given 30 degrees Celsius in Celsius scale, so what we need to do here is that we need to multiply it by 9 by 5, because we have just shown that 1 unit distance in Celsius scale equal 9 by 5 unit distance in Fahrenheit scale. So we need to multiply it by 9 by 5, but that is not it. We need to do another thing, that is, look here closely, that the starting point is not the same. Fahrenheit scale is already ahead 32, so when it is 0 degrees Celsius it is already at 32, so we need to add 32 with it. So now you have the formula: Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. It is the formula to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And similarly, from this formula you can get the formula to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius as well. So we have now this formula, that Fahrenheit equal to Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Why we multiply by 9 by 5? Because we have shown here that 1 degree Celsius, 1 unit of Celsius scale equal to 9 by 5 unit in Fahrenheit scale. So we multiply it, and because the Fahrenheit scale is 32 ahead from Celsius scale, we need to add 32 with it, and we can come up with Fahrenheit to Celsius formula with this one. So if we take 32 in that side, we can get F minus 32, and we have 9 by 5 here, this side we will get 5 by 9. So this is your formula. Fahrenheit to Celsius is equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. But if you say that I want to understand this formula here, how this came into this, you can use a similar process here. You see that 180 scale in Fahrenheit is 100 scale in Celsius. So 180 scale in Fahrenheit equal 100 scale in Celsius. So we will have 5 by 9. So 1 Fahrenheit equal to 5 by 9 in Celsius. But Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree ahead, so we need to subtract 32 and then multiply it by 5 by 9. So these are two final formulas, and if you have one, you can derive another from it simply, and this is the process. You can understand it, how this formula came into existence. Thanks to everyone.